everyone. Today I am here to speak on the topic agriculture, the backbone of Indian economy. Agriculture is truly considered as the backbone of Indian economy as the 60% of the population lives in the rural areas and 43% to 45% of the workforce engaged in agricultural activities. Despite the fact that half of the workforce is involved in the agriculture, its contribution to GDP is only 17%, as compared to 55% of manufacturing and 27% of the manufacturing and 55% of the services. As this is the mismatch that half of the workforce involved in the sector and its contribution to GDP is only one fifth. So, but despite this, we cannot deny the fact that agriculture is the lifeline of other industries because a country's economic growth is depend on its GDP and GNP, and these are measured by the manufacturing sector of a country, that how much a manufacturing sector is flourishing. And the growth of manufacturing sector industries, it depend on the agriculture sector, as the industries need raw material for their production, which comes from the agriculture. So agriculture product is the primary source of raw material for industries. So increase in agricultural production ensure the steady and affordable supply of raw material, which will enhance the industries. And if the industries will grow, the production will increase, the job opportunities will increase, and the export will flourish, and this will control the overall nation's development. So where the agriculture is not directly contributing to the GDP, but indirectly it is playing a major role in flourishing country's economy. Apart from this role, agriculture production ensure the food supply for such a huge population of 145 crore. So supplying food to our nation is the first priority of a nation, and agriculture is ensuring this, that there is food on every plate of Indian citizen. If we don't have proper supply of food, we have to import food item from other nation, and which will be very expensive and also increase our dependency on the global market, which is not good for any nation. So by supplying food to a massive population, it is fulfilling the nation's first priority of supplying food. Moreover, the industrial production or the country's economy is depend on the purchasing power of the rural population, because it is the highest section of the population which form the major chunk of the market. If the agriculture production will increase, the purchasing power, the farmer income will increase, the purchasing power of the farmers will increase, and this will lead to the demand or increased demand of goods and services, which will lead to the increase in industries and manufacturing sector, which will lead to the more job opportunities, export opportunities, and in this way the economy will flourish. So we can say that agriculture might less contribute to the GDP, but its indirect contribution is very high, which cannot be denied. And it is truly sad that the agriculture is the lifeline of country's economy. Thank you.